Manali, the jewel of Himachal Pradesh. Snow peaks, apple orchards, adventure trails. But this summer, visitors are greeted not just by cool breezes, but by mountains of garbage. Every summer, as plains scorch at 45 to 50 degrees, Manali sees a massive surge. Hotels report 70 to 95% occupancy. In peak months like May to June, over 15 lakh tourists visit Kullu Manali region alone. Himachal crossed 74 lakh tourists by May this year, with daily arrivals in Manali often exceeding 15,000. Now, this boom brings money to locals, but also overwhelming pressure. Manali's waste treatment plant is designed for just 20 to 30 tons per day. During peak season, it handles 70 to 100 tons of mostly unsegregated trash. Now, tourists in May to June alone leave behind over 2,000 tons in past peak hours. Plastic bottles, food wrappers, beer cans thrown on roads near temples like Hidimba, Solang Valley and riverbanks. Locals and some tourists contribute too, but the sheer volume from the influx is a trigger. Green tax collects crores, yet infrastructure lags. Drains clog, foul smells spread, and monsoon risks floods carrying waste downstream. Locals are frustrated. Manali is our home, guests shouldn't see garbage at the entrance, some say. Many blame irresponsible tourism, but others point out local dumping and burning of wastes too. Calls are now growing for more dustbins, strict actions like from 100 to 5,000 rupees fines, like in other states, and shared responsibility. And some also highlight that without tourists, livelihoods suffer, but the paradise can't become a dump yard. The Manali Municipal Corporation is under huge pressure. Courts have criticized transporting untreated waste hundreds of kilometers away. Some source segregation is incomplete, composting pits are insufficient, and legacy waste piles up at Rangari. Despite green tax revenue, some 14 plus crore rupees recently goes to salaries rather than long-term solutions like better processing plants or more staff. Now, the administration needs urgent upgrades, more bins, awareness campaigns and enforcement. As Manti MP, Kangana Ranaut has spoken out on civic sense, calling out littering as shameful after videos of foreigners cleaning up Indian trash went viral. But locals have questioned her too. During floods and crisis, some protested "You're late" and demanded more on-ground action on waste and infrastructure. The issue is bigger than one person, but as a prominent voice from the region, expectations from Kangana Ranaut, the Himachal Pradesh MP, are high. Manali's beauty belongs to all of us. Tourists say carry your waste back or use bin.
भाई इसको लेकर सब यही बोलना चाहेंगे भाई, हम आने वाले यहाँ में जितने भी टूरिस्ट आते हैं उन सबको ध्यान रखना चाहिए। भाई देश तो अपना ही है, कोई दूसरे का नहीं है, जगह सब अपनी है। अगर हम ऐसे कचरा फैलाते रहेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम तो हम सबको पब्लिक को ही होगा। भाई कचरे को डस्टबिन देख के उस जगह में फेंके, इधर उधर कचरा तो ना फेंके। हाँ, तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग सब बढ़ती जा रही है। अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो इससे पर्यावरण को नुकसान होगा, सारा प्रकृति नष्ट होगा। बर्फ वगैरह जो हम यहाँ घूमने के लिए आते हैं, अगर ऐसे कचरा फैलाएंगे तो सब देखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगी हम लोग को आने वाले टाइम में, अगर ऐसा ही रहेगा तो।
Locals authorities say invest in sustainable systems. Let's not let greed and carelessness destroy the Himalayas. Share this if you care. Responsible tourism is the only way forward. What do you think? Who's most responsible? Comment below.